What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a couple settings videos I'm going to be making for you guys, and this is one of three. So in this one I just wanted to cover OBS and how I record my game footage. So this is basically the program I use to capture all game footage, things like I'm doing now. When you first download the software, it's going to ask you to auto configure the program based on your system specs. So it's going to ask you one of two important questions. Are you a streamer, or do you prefer to record videos? Are you a content creator, basically? So for me, I'm not big into streaming, so I don't do that. I got all my settings specifically for recording. Based on if you're streaming or recording, do that. You're going to go to the bottom left down here and you need to make a scene. Alright, so you're going to hit the plus sign here, and this little box is going to pop up, and you're going to name it whatever you want. Mine's just called scene because I don't really care to name it anything specific. Now in the sources, you're going to have one of three things, maybe two. So the biggest thing you're going to want to have is a game capture source. So you're going to come down here, hit the plus, and you're going to find game capture right here. Okay, you're going to click on that. You can name it whatever game you want to capture. So if I'm playing Five Nights at Freddy's Help Wanted 2, I can name it. Now once you do that, this window is going to pop up here. You're going to go mode, capture specific window, and then this is the last game I was playing, so it already remembers, but you're going to hit this, and your game's going to be in here, whether it's Call of Duty, Fortnite, whatever game you're playing, it's going to be right there. So I'm going to leave that there. I don't play around with anything else in here. I just leave it as is and then hit OK. So now we got our game going. Now we need to capture the audio. So I play my game on the Oculus Quest, right? So I need to capture the audio from that headset. We're going to add a mic. We're going to come in here, and then we're going to, in this window up here, there's audio capture. You can't see it here, but there's an option right above here that says audio input capture. Okay, now that you have it, it's going to be like this with a little mic. All right, you're going to open this window up, and then you're going to see devices. You're going to click down, and then right here, headset microphone, Oculus Quest. Okay, that's going to capture the mic off my headset and bring it into this program. If you're using a USB mic or anything, it'll be listed here, and you can select that as well. So whether you're streaming or just recording videos, just pick the appropriate mic right there. Okay, now if you are a streamer, you want to add some video yourself and you have a webcam of some kind, again hit the plus, and then we're looking for video capture device right here. So when you get in here, you're going to hit the devices, and as long as your device is connected to the computer and on, you got the proper software and whatnot, it's going to pop up here. Select that device. I left all the other stuff auto configured. That is it. Alright, now if you're a streamer, you have one extra step.
The hardest one I've done.
You're going to connect your stream to this program. So for me, I used to do Twitch, and I connected my Twitch account to this. There's a video on how to do that out there. I'm not going to cover that. You're going to need to do that, and then once you got your streaming platform connected, you're going to hit start streaming, and that's it. If you're recording, making videos, you're going to click here, start recording, and then you got stop recording. That's going to cover the settings and how I set up OBS in this video. I'm going to make another one on the settings of the Oculus, and then maybe I'll do another one with Steam VR, how I play games there like Help Wanted 2. Alright, I want to thank you if you made it this far in the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.